year in 5th class you study social studies with environmental studies. But this academic year you studies in this subject you have 3 books. First one is Our Past. This is part first, and the second one is Geography part, that is the Earth, our habitat, and third one is Understanding Diversity. It is Social and Political Life. It is part 3 of civics. So this academic year you have 3 books learn in this subject. So let us start the first topic, Understanding Diversity, in part 3, Social and Political Life. So just you look around your house. Just come out of your house and look, see back, front or besides your house. What can you see there? You can see so many houses there. But there is difference one house to another house, or different one house, your house to your neighborhood houses. There is difference in coloring, painting or their shapes. So we can find out the differences in houses. And also our neighborhoods, our areas, people have so many differences in languages. They speaking in different languages, and they can understand feelings difference in way, and their dresses in difference wearing, and their food are differences from us. So like that, so many differences we can see there in our neighborhoods. And also in your family, you think you live with your family members like father, mother, brother and sister. You have so many individual differences in it. That is in way of thinking, or it is feelings expressing, or their ideas, opinions. Lot of differences one person to another persons in your family. So it is the differences between one person to another person. In this chapter we learn about focus on this word diversity. We have so many differences one people to another people, or one society to another society. India is a vast country. We have so many kinds of people we can see here, because in out of state like that Gujarat, Rajasthan and Andhra, Kerala or Jammu Kashmir, whatever it is, we can see different peoples, their habits in cultural, religion, and their habits like beliefs, and their dresses and their food. We can see differences there. So in your textbook, look here, the figures of 3 pictures here. So this is drawn by same ages of your classmates. You can imagine. Here one diagram to another diagram is difference. That is in a gender. This is boy picture, and this is girl. This is baby or girl picture. This is also, and they wore different dresses here. So in here empty box, open your textbook and you will try draw your own figure, or here any one picture like this. Same too, you will try draw here. So it is not similar. You cannot able to draw like this or our own figure, because quite different from them. Drawing subject is unique one. We all are drawn, but quite differences one drawing to another drawing. So this is the differences like that in our country. We can see differences in languages. So many people talking so many languages, their mother tongue languages are Hindi, English and their beliefs, their cultural, their festivals also celebrate in different ways, and then their foods in north and south, lot of differences in food. People they eating the food different way. In our Karnataka or South Indian food is like roti, chapati, like that dal. But North Indian is different from us, and also like that Eastern and Western peoples eating different food, kinds of food. Here, children, one activity is in your textbook. You will do it after you will send in group this one activities. So first one question is, when I go out I like wearing. It means when you want to go outside, what dress you wear, what dress you want to wear, you write here. And at home I speak in. It means in which language or which like that your mother tongue, Hindi or English, whatever it is, you write here. Which language you speak, you write here. And my favorite sports is, what is your favorite sports, you write here. And then I like reading books about, which book you most like reading, for reading, so you write here. All these we can find out one student to another students or your classmates. So many differences answer we can find out here from these activities. So let us introduction of the diversity. So man is a social animal. He doesn't live alone. He lives in society where the many people live there. He want to live there. And what is the society? The collection of people living together. We call that a society. The collection of people, they living together in particular place, any place that is. So we call it society. That is. Next, what is the meaning of politics? Norms and ways of function of any society. It means norms and ways of functions of any society. It is. Those are same ways, in going the same ways, we call those that is politics. And then what is the diversity? It is means a range of different things, because one person to another person thinking ways is different. Your best friend thinking one matter about one matter, thinking way is different from you. So like that we have lot of differences, but live together. This is the major part of this topic. So unity in diversity. We all are human beings, but we have so many differences in living ways. So that is already we discussed in there, that is food, dress, religion, culture, whatever it is. So people are different from each other in many ways. This is the focus on in this chapter, diversity. In many ways, one man to another man, they have so many differences, but they live together. When in our country matter, we say we all are Indians. That is unity says. So we all are human beings. So many differences we have. Then in your textbook, a story, making a story here, making a friend here in this textbook. A story here I will tell you. Let us now. Then making a friend, it is would be very easy to you, but this story here, both of two friends, best friends here, and one name is Samir A and another boy name is Samir Do. Both are very best and close friends. How they would be close or best friends in this society? So, this story tell about the lot of differences. They are best or close friends, but they have difference between their religion or their habits, their languages, like that. Samir Ek came from the rich family. The boy Samir Ek came from the rich family. His family provide all facilities to him. So he did go to school. He learned already. He can speak English and Hindi languages. But Samir though is poor boy. So he used to selling newspaper and he can only speak Hindi language. So this is the difference between two friends. He know both languages, English and Hindi. He know only one language, that is mother tongue, mixer, Hindi. But he didn't go to school. He didn't get any facility